Morning, everybody. We're out early looking for a few brookies and maybe some smallies. Let's go. I'm gonna start off trolling around the lake until we find the fish. I do have the fly rod with me in case we see them breaking the surface. If they're deep, we may even do some vertical jigging. Just saw a few fish come up and take a fly, so I'm gonna toss one out, see if we can get a rise. We actually have a nymph dropper rig on this. Just tied about 18 inches on the back of the dry fly. Give them a couple choices. Oh, there's the fish, guys. Oh, I think we just lost him. Shoot. Oh my gosh, guys. There's a fish. There we go. Look at that. We are on. Okay, let's get our net out. Oh man, he bit that hard. I wonder if that's a bass. Kind of fighting too much to be a trout, I think. Wow. Let me get the old net on him. Oh, no, it's a big trout, guys. Wow. Oh, he's just hooked by the lip. Okay, we got him. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. The bait came right out. Oh, wow. Check him out, guys. Probably 14 inches or so. Oh. Little bite there, guys. Oh, there's a fish, guys. We got him. Lost him at the boat trying to get some footage. That's the price of doing business, I guess. You can see the water temperature's creeping up, right around 69.5 degrees Fahrenheit. There's our bait right there as well. We're down around 15 feet. We're going to get this bait back down. Just put, ooh, easy now. We're just bleeding out that trout. Another one for the smoker. Get this bait in the water at the same time. We're gonna get this guy in here now. I don't trust him. There's our second trout. Oh, we got a fish on there, guys. He's taking her. Just while we were cleaning the other guy. He's on. Here he comes. Just like that. Hey, we must be in the feeding window. There he is. He swallowed her. Just back from another shore break. Some fresh worm on. I think we're going to drift maybe for another half hour or so. If no success, I'm going to put on a little flicker shad, I think, and do some trolling. Maybe even try to chase some bass. There's our little flicker shad. It's a deep diver. I'm going to say it's probably only about 2.5 inches, 3 inches at most. Oh, we got a fish on there, guys. I'm going to say that's a little bass. Definitely that's what I'm thinking. Don't think it's jumped yet. It's a nice fight. There we go, our first little bass. Oops. This bait back in the water. Didn't take us very long to hook up, probably about 10 minutes or so. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Another fish already. Just got that out there. Okay, that's definitely another bass. Okay. Putting up a nice fight. Oh yeah, this guy I think has some more weight to him. Definitely. Oh, that's a bigger bass, guys, for sure. Oh, nice fish. That's a nicer fish, guys. Probably about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. Fish on there, guys? I think we got a fish on. Oh, yes, we do. Okay, we're on. Geez, yeah, nice fish. I'm gonna say that's probably another bass. Oh, he's taking some drag. Oh, nice jump. Beautiful. There we are. Probably about 1.5 pounds. Oh, there's a little fish right there. Just on the turn. He's still on there? Oh no, he's still on there. Oh, he's some kind of tiny. I think we're going to call her a day, guys. Got a few trout, a few bass, had a great one. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Till next time, stay safe.